What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Half-Assed Garage. Today we're going to start working on the Jeep, so that's what we're going to do. First off, we're going to pressure wash the engine bay to prepare it for all the disconnections, and this clip has to come off, the radiator has to come out, the fans, all that different stuff in order to get the engine out. As you can see, it's covered in oil and grease from whatever happened to it, so I'm not entirely sure. The insulation is completely soaked. I have no history on this truck, so I have no idea if how bad this was, what went on, and I have no idea what the condition of that 4-liter is. So first off, we're going to start by pressure washing this thing, and with some simple green to try to clean it up a little bit, and then start taking everything off and pulling the engine out. Got some simple green in it, a little new pressure washer thing. Here's our little mouse nest. Yeah, I don't know how long this stuff is supposed to take to work and how well it does on oil, but anything has to be better than nothing. So we're just going to spray this down a little bit more, let it sit, and then we'll hit it with one of the more powerful nozzles here in just a bit. All right. Now it's only been about 5 minutes, but it's already starting to dry up out here. So you can already see it's drying up. So I'm going to hit it with the automotive one, which is a 40-degree angle. Hopefully it won't wreck everything in there, but we'll see. The 25 is pretty harsh. So. I sprayed it down a second time, went over it with the power washer. I can see that there's a bunch of stuff that I didn't get. Shockingly, it's more difficult to clean this than you'd think. I didn't even see all that stuff until I quit power washing. So overall, it's not in bad shape. I got rid of the mouse nest thing. It's right there. And yeah, I mean, it shouldn't be too bad. It's still super greasy, but you know, whatever. So I will soon, once this dries out good, I'll get to pulling this front clip off. I'm not really sure how to work on these XJs. I've never done it before. Minor stuff, but nothing big like this engine swap or change or replacement or whatever you want to call it. So we're just going to go by YouTube. So YouTube says to take off this front clip, the radiator inside there, or the oil cooler, or whatever that is in there. That looks caved in. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's caved in pretty good right there. Looks like some damage to the fins, so I'm not sure exactly what happened with that, but and I have no history at all on this truck, none. So pillar damage, the engine, the interior's gone. Even though it's got all new glass in it, or all different glass, or working glass, or intact glass, whatever you want to call it, you can see from the defroster that, you know, the back window has been shattered out of it at one time. I did vacuum this up some. There's a bunch down in there. So I don't understand. I think at one point this truck had all the windows smashed out of it. Now it doesn't look like a rollover, really. Other than this, I don't know what it is, but there's just glass everywhere in here. And as I said, these aren't the right interior pieces. I have no idea what the deal is with this truck. It's got a title, and that's all I care about. It's got a title, and I've got the parts to make it work. So one way or the other, we're gonna get this thing running and put it either on the road or on the trail. That's all that there is to it. So it does look a little bit better. Just wait for it to dry and carry on. All right, everybody, let's do this thing. Sorry about the air compressor, it's about worn out. I've been looking for a compressor head for it and I can't find one, and there are no replacement parts for this old compressor, so it's gonna probably run a lot. Alright, so that's pretty much it for today. I got done what I wanted to get done. The grill is off. We've power washed it to kind of get a better idea of what we're dealing with in there. And that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching the Half-Ass Garage and chilling out with us. Like, subscribe, whatever it is. And then we'll probably kick on over to this thing right away, or I might end up working on the Ram or the Dodge. So I'm not sure yet, but we'll just have to see what tomorrow brings. So thanks for watching.